So when it comes to retirement and investing with your own portfolio, one of the indicators you want to add to your toolbox is a momentum indicator. A momentum indicator gives you an indication whether in the short term the market is going up and down, and it helps you avoid major bear markets so then you can invest with better timing. Now, one of my favorite momentum indicator is RSI, and I'm going to give you the setting in this video, how to set that up, and also the data to show you where the sweet spot for RSI indicator is. Now, RSI is actually a very common indicator that you can just find in your charting software. So this is tradingview.com. It's a free charting software you can use, and within the free investing webinar, I'll teach you how to set this up so you can get the other two indicators you see on the chart. So on the upper left, click on indicator, and then you would type RSI, Relative Strength Index. Click on it, and you'll find that this is what it looks like at the bottom. So the default is usually around 14 weeks if you're using a weekly chart, but I like to use 8 because it is faster and it gives you a better signal so you can react faster when the market changes. Now, what happens when you add this indicator onto your chart? RSI ranges from 0 to 100, kind of like 0 to 100%. And if you look at the historical 4 years of S&P 500, and if you invest every time that RSI is between this sweet spot, 50 to 85, you will capture majority of the profitable and bullish period. And if you want to avoid the bearish period in 2022, 2023, then you avoid investing when the RSI is below 50. And here's the data on the right-hand side that you can see. Now, this indicator also works quite well for other stocks like Microsoft, Apple, Uber, Ulta Beauty. Even if the stock itself doesn't really have a strong trend, it can still help you filter out the bearish and the bullish markets. So then when you invest, you can get to a profit quicker, and it makes investing a lot more enjoyable and easier as well. And when it comes to analyzing the charts and looking for patterns, RSI is one of the 3 indicators I use, and I recently explained how to use this in detail within Investing Accelerator. So if you're interested in learning more, you can click on the link below and attend the free investing webinar on how to achieve a higher return for retirement and how to generate monthly passive income as well. Because when it comes to investing, there are 2 goals you need to achieve. The first one is, of course, long-term investing for capital gain. But as you approach retirement, you also need to think about how to generate monthly passive income. And that's what this investing training is about. And I cover both of these strategies and give you some valuable tips in the free training. So you can click on the link below and check it out. And you'll also get invites to the free investing community, Invest and Retire. And that's where I share a lot of market insights, economic news, and what to expect, in terms of inflation, what's coming up in terms of the Federal Reserve policy, and how the markets would react to it. So my name is Eric, and I look forward to seeing you inside the webinar.